Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched a nationwide Fit India movement and urged people to become more aware of health and good life. Viewed as a huge health enthusiast himself, Prime Minister asked people to take the pledge for a fitter India. At a colorful ceremony which included a presentation of India's indigenous martial art forms, dances and sports, Modi said technology has contributed to a sedentary lifestyle. Kashmir's famous tourist destination Gulmarg in the Baramulla district has been put on high alert after infiltration bids by militants in the past few weeks and multiple attempts to attack the forward post by the Pakistan Army, according to reports. Security agencies reportedly apprehended 2 residents of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir's Muzaffarabad in the Gulmarg range 2 days ago, and they are being questioned on Pakistan's rare attempt to engage troops in Gulmarg. Film Forum Manipur today celebrated its 15th Foundation Day at the Forum office premises, Lamphel, Imphal. Talking on the sidelines of the event, Chairman of the Forum S. Mangoljao said that a surveillance team will be set up soon to keep a check on piracy of Manipuri digital films. Several saplings were planted in the surrounding area of the Film Forum's office complex to mark the day. Joining Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Fit India movement initiative today, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad A. Sangma chose to walk to his office today to kickstart a fitness movement in the land of clouds, Meghalaya. Sangma said that it is not just about health, as a walking Meghalaya will help curb carbon dioxide emission, cut costs on a personal level, and reduce the traffic on the city streets, and urged people to walk to their workplaces at least once a week. Kangla Phamthau, Humphumari Ang Pana Laisang jointly observed the 73rd Lining Ngak Senba of Kangla, Laifamlol, Imphal. The observation was attended by hundreds of people from all walks of life. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and other distinguished personalities were present at the event. Directorate of Ayush, Lamphel, in association with State Ayush Society, today held a program on distribution function of equipment and furniture items to Ayush institutions at the 10-bedded integrated Ayush Hospital, Konjeng Laikai, Imphal. The event was attended by Health Minister L. Jentakumar and other dignitaries. 54th Foundation Day cum Golden Jubilee of Educational and Development Club Nambol Makha Laikai was held at Nambol Makha Laikai Community Hall. Meritorious students of class 10 and 12 were felicitated at the function. One-day legal awareness program was held at Isok Khul, organized by Isok Apunba Club, Royal Academy of Law Oinam, and District Legal Services Authority Bishnupur. At the event, experts talked on the importance of law. Opposition People's Representation for Identity and Status of Mizoram PRISM and Mizoram People's Conference MPC have urged upon the state government to include its 509 square miles of inner line reserved forest area in the proposed Mizoram political map.